are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Kenya for those of you who are new, and today we are having yet another house hunting episode. I am in 87 today, that is along Waiyaki way, and the house in review today is a 2-bedroomed house which is a master Ensuit, and the house is perfect. It has perfect finishings, it has water 24/7, electricity is paid via token, and I will let you be the judge of the finishings and all that, and the space and all that. But I am currently at the rooftop. That is it. You can see it somewhere you can come and chill when you're bored or something, and somewhere you can still come and hang your clothes. As you can see, there are people who have hung their clothes, and let me just go and show you the house. Sitting room, which is quite spacious. As you can see, I am currently standing at the door, and that is how it looks from where I am standing. It has this window right here. There are some light fixtures on the walls, as you can see. Okay, that is the sitting room. Let me take it from this side. Quite spacious. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Wow. And this is the kitchen for you. It has some storage spaces over there and some more storage spaces over there, and then we have more storage on top and some more storage over here. We have the balcony right inside the kitchen. Sorry, it's not opened. And the house is paid via token, and that is the space of the kitchen. It's quite something. It's something you can work with. That is how it looks. And we have our main all common bathroom over here. Look at that shower. And the washroom here, they are separated, which is a plus. And then we have the sink right here and the mirror over there. And we have our first bedroom here, well lit, and it's quite spacious. It's well lit, and the view from here is amazing. Then we have the closets. Wow. That is how they are looking. I love this because it's already organized for you. You can put your folded clothes over there. And then we have some drawers. Then some closet space where you can hang your clothes. And here goes our final bedroom, which is a master Ensuit. We have the washroom and the toilet here. And the closet here. Quite beautiful. and this house is going for 30,000 shillings, and it is in Kinoo 87. I will leave the contact details on the description box below. That is the general outlook of the house, and then we have the parking lot on the ground floor, which is quite big. And people are still moving in. It's a new house. Yeah, that is it.